Hey, what's up, guys? If you're a do-it-yourselfer, a DIYer, new to the HVAC industry, or even a seasoned veteran, I'm here on my channel to provide tips and assistance, and make things easier for everybody, and to share my work experiences with y'all out on the job and out in the field in real life. So I'm here to do some maintenance at this business. It's a gym, and I was informed that I needed to check because there is undoubtedly a homeless person living on the roof. Yeah, I know, right? And by the way, this is when you kind of got to do things yourself, even on commercial. This is how you get the filters up there, or anything else. Works really good. Tie your little knot. Well, I guess I will get up on the roof and see if we got somebody up there squatting. Yep. I'd say it's kind of confirmed, guys. Fella ain't got nowhere else to go. But he ain't up here now. Don't appear that way. And look, there's a video camera right there. Maybe that's how he got caught. The customer downstairs wanted me to check and make sure. I ain't ratting on the poor fella. Nobody knows what he's been through or what he's going through, but it is confirmed we do have somebody up here living on the roof. And I'm attention to detail because it's part of my job, right, guys? You gotta be a detective when you're working on these units as a technician. Obviously, he's got to be a tall man. Because look here, I got to put a 6-foot ladder up just to get up there. He just got like a cinder block and a piece of wood. Yeah, I guess he jumps up there and grabs it. I don't know. But anyway, yes, it is confirmed. We got a squatter up here on the roof. All right, guys. All right, guys. Over here on the train. Gas pack up on the roof. Got my filters up here, and American Standard. Nothing runs like a American Standard. Okay, so first thing I did is I walked around here and kind of cleaned out the drain, and it's like I said, these other 2 units up here. I did the other one on my other video on a repair call. Now we've got the maintenance contract on all 3 of them because the other company was not doing their job on the maintenance. I mean, come on, man. Jesus, just do your job, people. But people just lazy and they get away with the least amount that they can do. But anyway, so the first thing I did is kind of bumped it out, the trap. And man, look at this. This is supposed to be a freshly maintenanced unit here. Look at the gunk. Look at that gunk that come out of there, man. Nasty. Nasty, nasty, y'all, nasty. I'm gonna check on the filters and see what the filters look like. They're probably gonna be stopped up like the other one was on their repair call of my previous video. So let's see what happens. Oh yeah. We was dirty. Look here at the filters. Oh boy. Yeah, that's some nice maintenance that was done here, boy. I am here to tell y'all what. Outstanding job. Maintenance crew of Mystery Company. Yeah. So, yeah. I got some nice, good, clean filters in here. Done checked the belt's good. And of course, our P-trap, our J-trap, this is a P-trap. She is condensating water now. Oh my goodness, look at that. She's pouring water out. She's dehumidifying like a champ. That's what I want to see. Alright guys. Alright. Okay guys, this is how he's getting up there. Excuse me. That was rude. Okay. I got a little spoon on top of the panel box out here. A little drink. We've been eating some, I don't know, pretzels. Maybe something for a headache. Let's don't forget about the cigarette butt. But look at this. Look that guy has got to be tall, man. I'm telling y'all what. He's just getting, what, a cinder block and a half and a piece of wood. And undoubtedly he's sliding that over there under the ladder and then jumping up there and getting it. I mean, that's probably, that is, I can tell y'all, that's like 8 foot. Okay? Anyway, that's how he's getting up there, y'all. Like, that's guaranteed, that's how he's getting up there. I caught him, y'all. He just asked me for some spare change. There he is. He is, but I ain't no lie, y'all. He probably about 6'4", 6'5". He's a tall dude. Yeah, I heard somebody walking up beside the van, and he asked me if I had any spare change, which I don't. If I did, I probably would have gave him some. Who knows what's going on with him? But yeah, that dude. And I looked up, man. He's like 6'4", 6'5", easy. He just got some change from the Goodwill workers out there taking a smoke break. But yeah, so that was our squatter. I reckon he done got his stuff and he's finding somewhere else to squat. Alright guys. Okay guys, this is it for this video. Our little buddy on the roof, I've never run into that. I've been doing heating and air for 18 years. A little over 18 years now. And I've seen a lot of stuff as well as all the other veterans out there, and even some of the newer guys getting into the business. See some stuff, see some crazy stuff, right? But that's the first time I've been specifically on top of a roof, and we had old squatter up there. Had a squatter. So anyway, that's it for this video. I hope y'all guys enjoyed. If I've added value and helped y'all out in any way, if anything, if I just kept you company, because I don't know if it's just me, but it is very lonely as a heating and air technician, because usually on me, especially me, even on commercial guys, I'm always by myself. So maybe I got more of a vlog channel than anything else, but if anything that I can say or do, or my experiences that I run across, if any way, shape or form, y'all get any value from, if it's just entertainment, whatever it is, I would appreciate y'all liking and subscribing. In the comments below, comment I subscribe, and I will definitely get back to your comment and reply to you. Alright guys, y'all be safe out there. Just another day in the life of a heating and air technician. Alright guys, later.